Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Chase Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Chase Bank. Click on this first website over here. And here we can see this sign in option. And in the bottom, we can see this option could not enroll, sign up now. So let's tap on this. Now choose the type of account you have got. Now enter your account details here. Enter your social security number and enter the username you would like to add. Once you are done with all of the details, simply click on next and your verification of your account number and social security number will be done. After which, we'll get into next step of verification. Once the verification is done, our registration will be completed after creating our username and password. After which, we can finally get into Chase Bank online banking interface. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.